It may not be 6 a.m. yet, but I am so excited for what the day ahead holds. Welcome back to Shelby on Safari, the place where I, a wild animal biologist and trading card collector of Disney's Lorcana, is headed to London. And guess what? You're coming with me, and we are gonna head to the Disney Store on Oxford Street to see the newest set coming out today, Shimmering Skies, and check out their D23 merchandise, cause it's one of the best weekends of the year. So you ready? Join the safari and let's go to London. You ready to see Coda and Kenai in the new Disney's Lorcana Shimmering Skies? I certainly am. I love Coda and Kenai. Brother Bear represent, and yeah, we're just gonna head inside after getting some coffee. Oh, Professor Dan's here.
Hi guys.
Yay! We're gonna go check out the new set. So you ready? Let's go! Oh, it's so cute! There. Alas, the challenges of being a content creator. While editing this video, unfortunately, my computer decided to crash, taking my external hard drive with it. That had not only footage from the rest of the day that I was eager to put in an unboxing video from opening my Illumineers Trove that Ravensburger kindly gifted me, but also footage from an upcoming video in which I visited my friend Dan at Elemental Cards. It's all gone. The journey must continue, and so therefore I'm gonna show you some of my favorite cards that I unboxed from my Illumineers Trove of Shimmering Skies that Ravensburger and the Disney Store kindly gifted me on Friday when I went to the opening. It was a brilliant day. It was great seeing the Disney Store, seeing so many products. As someone who used to work for the mouse, it was really overwhelming seeing just how many cute things there were. I'll be honest, when I did work for the mouse, most of my earnings went right back into Disney and buying bits and bobs all over the place. But before I show you the holos and the pulls, if you will, I wanted to show you 3 of my favorite cards that have been released in Shimmering Skies of Disney's Lorcana. When Will My Life Begin? Rapunzel's Tower. There it is, a nice landscape and location card. I just love the artwork on these. And then a pub thug ruffian from the Snuggly Duckling. Oh my gosh, I have Thor as well. And perfect timing for Shimmering Skies to be released was when my Volt X binder came in the post. I put my buddy Pascal on there, and I can't wait to put not only my Rapunzel cards, but all of my favorite Disney Lorcana cards in here as well. Keep them nice and safe. Speaking of keeping things safe, the beautiful Illumineers Trove will also keep them safe. I had the pleasure of sorting out some of my packs already, nicely color coordinated by the deck color. There's some lore counters, all of the jazz, anything you need. Keep it nice and secure in the box. I'm looking forward to organizing more of my cards in here soon. But what I really like about the Illumineers Trove treasure chest is it's exactly what that is. It's a treasure chest of so much cute artwork from the set as well. So Vanellope's on there, Donald's on there, but I gotta say my two favorites are, of course, my main man, Mr. Maui, as well as Kronk as a security guard. I mean, come on, you can't get much cooler than that. I don't know if you guys have seen the news from D23 over the weekend, but for Disney Lorcana, we have some exciting, I can't even talk, I'm so excited. We have some exciting announcements coming for future sets, mainly the Black Cauldron. Oh my goodness, I am so excited for this. It is one of my favorite book series, and the Disney film's all right, but I cannot wait to see some of my favorite characters that I've loved since being a child displayed in card form. Princess Ailonwi, I cannot wait. Gurgi as well, of course Taran, but I just am so excited for them to be introduced to this set, because when I first started opening Lorcana and I saw that they highlighted one of the best Disney films of all time, The Emperor's New Groove, a film that I regularly quote on a daily basis, I was delighted. And to continually build on that with the Black Cauldron, Rescue Rangers, oh my goodness. One of the lovely Ravensburger staff, her name was Abby, she was chatting with Professor Dan and I asked her the question of which Disney character or film do you want to see in Lorcana that's not already there? And she said Pocahontas. And sure enough, they announced at D23 Pocahontas is going to be coming to Lorcana. I cannot wait to see what cards they bring from this franchise. Obviously, Miko's got to have his own card, right? Maybe a Miko Enchanted? Just saying. I got this lovely promo signed as well. Isn't that stunning? I've pulled it a few times from my Illumineers Trove, but having the promo and it signed is just so cool. Jochem actually signed my Rapunzel as well to me, which was so sweet. I need to get that suited and booted, but the shine just looks better not in the sleeve. Not that the Rapunzel card is a holo by any means, but it's still a treasured piece in my collection. So there are a few cool characters highlighted in Shimmering Skies, continuing with the classic films that need more love. The wonderful Sword in the Stone with Archimedes here. Also Clarabelle got some cards. I got this nice holo, again, all from my Illumineers Trove. Of course, one of the most beloved films to be introduced in Shimmering Skies is Wreck-It Ralph, and I got this nice holo of Fix-It Felix. Emperor's New Groove, I got these beautiful, beautiful holos. I'll show you the Cusco in a second, but one of the things about Disney Lorcana, which is really fun to see, are the quotes that they put on. Some of them not in the movies, but when they get one that's from the movie, it delights me. And so, pretty pathetic, huh? Again, another quote that I say pretty regularly, but I just love this holo. I'm so excited. It's gonna be a Rapunzel and Emperor's New Groove collection in my vault binder. Chaka as well, what a girl. I mean, her jump roping skills are incredible. But then, the Emperor himself, all hail Emperor Cusco. He is stunning. What a fun card. And he totally would cut under the rope. Like, he's Cusco. Like, I'd be disappointed if he waited in the queue, to be honest. In terms of legendary cards, I got very lucky and I pulled not only one, but two legendary cards from my Illumineers Trove. One is a holo, but first we'll start with the non-holo with Jafar. Now, these cards, it's so hard to try to show you with the light, but they genuinely look like they're popping off the page. And speaking of being off the page, I keep saying that a lot today. It's been a long day, and it's hot. It's brilliant. There we are. The artwork is coming down through the bottom, and it is really cool. I mean, I'm not a big fan of Jafar, to be honest. He really scared me when I was little. But my last card, the one I'm really excited to show you, is a holo legendary, and it's none other than King Arthur himself. I love the artwork on here. In fact, it reminds me of a high street that's in a town quite close to me with the artwork behind. It looks like he's in my neck of the woods. And again, the artwork coming down through the bottom of the card And to get a holo legendary, I was just so excited. And I'm gonna quickly put them back in the sleeve. And so thankful for Ravensburger and the Disney Store for gifting me this Illumineers Trove of Shimmering Skies. I cannot wait to open even more of these cards because I am chasing some of those incredible enchanteds like the Prince Naveen, or even, of course, I gotta mention the Maui card, right? You gotta get that card. It's just so cool looking. I am so excited to open more of this set. Have you opened any Disney Lorcana Shimmering Skies? If so, let me know down in the comments below what you've pulled so far. Thanks again to Ravensburger and Disney Store for inviting me to their opening event. While I'm sad all of my footage is gone, I at least got to show you guys some of the incredible card artwork that is in this new set. To keep your adventure going, why not check out some of my vlogs here, which actually didn't get deleted on my external hard drive, not that I'm bitter. Or check out some playlists here on Pokemon and real-life animal comparisons. Go and click either which one. I'll see you there. Thank you for watching and have a great rest of the day. I'm gonna go open up some more Shimmering Skies. Bye!